In this tutorial, we're going to make a toothpaste pusher. So we're going to create a sketch on our XY plane, and we're just going to make a basic rectangle pusher. What this is, if you've never seen one, toothpaste pusher dimensions, toothpaste pusher. Add dimensions to it. So I'm just going to go to Google because it has much better image search than Bing does. Go to google.com, type in toothpaste pusher, go to images, and it's kind of looking like this. This is one that somebody created, kind of like a face. It eats the toothpaste. That's fine. We're going to create something similar to it. So when we go in here, when we go into Autodesk, we're going to create pretty much just a rectangle. And this rectangle is going to be 3 inches long, and we're going to go probably about 0.125 inches high, and that's going to be the hole we want to go through. So in order to make sure that's the hole we go through, we need to actually expand out another rectangle, and I drew that. I went out 2 corners from this rectangle. And mattering on what your zoom is, those corners might be different, but if you have your dimensions correct, they should be the same. And then I'm just going to draw another box there. So now we could extrude that item in order to make it just the outside of it in order to make this toothpaste pusher. So I'm going to push this out. And you can make this whatever you want. I could do a 0.25, 0.3, 0.4. And this is kind of just a general shape of a toothpaste pusher that will slide on your toothpaste roll, push it up. You can use this for lotion, for any bottle really. Some people tie rubber bands around the sides to make them tighter. And then you could go in here and you can make a face. We've already gone over in some of the other tutorials on how to put logos and text on it, so you could put text up here. I'm just going to start a sketch on this top face. I'm just going to get a rectangle up here. So this is going to give me a good starting point. So I got 4 on that side. I want to get 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Okay. Actually, let's pull this out a little bit more. Let's go about to here, and then let's extrude this. And I'm going to make this the entire length of the object going back. So I made that a 0.25, so I'm going to change this from 0.3 to 0.25, hit enter. So now this is where I start to actually add some customization to it. I'm going to right click this edge, do a press pull. That's going to give me that fillet option. I'm also going to fillet this edge over here and pull both of those in, get a nice little curve on it. I'm kind of looking like the guy who already had his. I do want to curve all these edges on the outside too, so I'm going to right click, press pull, and I'll click all of these outside edges just to give it a more smooth overall look to it. I'll pull those in. That's a little too much. Right there is good. Hit OK. And now I'll put a logo, face, whatever I want to do on this front part here. So I'm going to start a sketch on this top, and for time's sake, I'm just going to use the text function, and we have this cool thing called a character map that's built in to every computer. So if you type character map into the start menu, you could bring up this character map, and you could actually look through any text and look for symbols. So I'm going to throw some symbols on here because I think that they have a lot of cool symbols out there that might be interesting to put on here. So I was scrolling through text. I actually wasn't scrolling through what I should have. So here's the Apple symbol. I'm just going to select that to use. I'm going to copy that. I'll place my text down, and I could paste that into the text box here. Unfortunately, this one's not letting me do Apple. It's always good to just kind of stick with Arial and kind of find a symbol inside of here. Most of these symbols will work. Let's just do a heart. So I just want one heart. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it over. It's going to give me the heart symbol up here. I could place that down wherever I want. I could write heart mom. heart because it was just Mother's Day. I want to give my mom a Mother's Day gift. So I'm going to space that out a little bit, place that in the middle here. And I like to bold out all the text I ever do on 3D printing, no matter what, just because it always comes out better. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to extrude this, and I'm just going to cut it through the object. So I'm going to spin that around, change it to a cut, change my distance to all, and hit OK. And hopefully that cuts our object, cuts out the hearts and the mom, and we kind of have a cool Mother's Day gift for a toothpaste pusher right here. This is a good idea if anybody was interested in giving their mother a late Mother's Day gift.